Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, Sneha. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And tell me about yourself. How is your
Yeah,
your day going so far?
yeah, my day is going good. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Sneha,
So,
we are meeting first time. So, would you introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. So, yeah, thank you for giving the opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. So, as you know, my name is Neha and I'm living in UP in city of Greater Noida. And I'm married. I am blessed with two kids as well as homemaker also. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I have done a BSc Botany Honors. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies nowadays learning this language mostly. I have a several hobbies, but as a homemaker, you can understand like only on these days like whenever I get free time then I want to spend most of the time on this language and apart from running my YouTube channel. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah, that's great to hear about your introduction. So, Sneha, I have started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to take first step towards their English speaking. So, my question is that how did you start your English journey, and when did you think about learning English?
Yeah, like how did you first your question? How when did I start my learning? So I have been started learning this language last year 2023 in month of November, and that time I started my YouTube channel also. So and this like this is you can say it was my desire by childhood. I have decided I have tried many times but I didn't get success. I even like when I was studying like at that time I was doing graduation and so that time I taken class also for learning this language. I paid a lots of money on this language, but that time I didn't get like this much of fluency. But now I decided because as a mother I decided I'm not able to understand this language. Then how can I teach my children? It's quite difficult for me, so that's why I decided no it's a very like a crucial thing for like as a mother and as a mother, and if you learn this language then you can get so much opportunity for like do you can get learn after learning this language you can do whatever you want. And after, so that's why I think like it's a very like important for me. I should learn this language. Maybe it will be come so much harder learning this language. And as a homemaker I have a children, two children, and they will sometime they will disturb me. So I'm not getting sometime I will not get that much of time, but I'm very fascinated to learn about this language. So this year I'm learning this language. I'm spending as well as on this language time.
Yeah, that's great. That's amazing, Sneha. So, you know about this language, like how did you start? Did you know about the grammar and then you have started your speaking portion, or did you start with the speaking, then you knew about the grammar? So, how did you start? What was your first step towards English speaking?
Yeah, yeah, actually, yeah, this is very nice question. So when I started learning this language, if I'm going to talk about grammar, I studied in my like childhood when I was studying in a school and college. That time I studied all grammar. But whenever you touch in anything, then you can you can't forget. But sometimes you skip those kind of things. 100% will those kind will forget. So that thing happened with me also. But when I once I started learning this language, nobody has said to me in my like home you should learn this language. That time I think like that, no, I should start learning this language. So first I focus on a speaking part. That time like I spend a lots of time on my speaking as much as possible, like full whenever I talk to with my children. That time you can say just replace this word Hindi to English. I try to I that I have taken baby a step. You can say come here and go here. I know everything because in my home environment my children every time we talk with their father in this language, but only one person I am here in my home, which is I'm not able to talk. I could not able to talk in this language that time. But nowadays by doing practice or speaking practice, Then I learned this language, and still I'm learning. And while learning, when I spend like 4 5 months, then automatically some, like I know that where I am doing error. So in this way I focus like some sentences, modals, this kind of, so this way I'm learning.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so you know about the vocabulary. It plays a crucial roles in English whenever it comes to speak in English. So how do you learn vocabulary, and how do you use that vocabulary in your communication skills?
I'm talking about vocabulary, so I'm not much, but I am a little bit I'm not recall exact, you can say, while doing conversation. Before like conversation, I will whenever I watch some related vocabulary, like YouTube content. So that time I remember, and that time as well as I read in my notebook also. But when it comes to like comes to like conversation, but that time I forgot to add those vocabs in my conversation. So these days I am facing this kind of problem.
Okay, okay, it's okay. So you will learn whenever you want to learn, because the vocabulary is must whenever we have sufficient vocabulary, so we will be able to speak with anyone or anytime or any sentences like that. Okay, so like from your side, Sneha, you want to give any final tip to our co-learners who are just thinking about learning English but they are not able to take first step. So from your side, what do you want to say those?
So, yeah, first I want to tell those learner who had just started own journey, and first focus on listening. Because that time I started my journey, that time I was listening full day at my home, like with my children, with my husband. I'm listening all the things. So first those person who not able to understand, but suppose I'm talking with you, you are whatever you are whatever you are whatever you question asking with me, I'm not able to understand. So first most important thing, you have to listen more and more, and you will start understanding what that person is telling about that anything. And if you are going to read any book, that time you are able to understand. Then after understanding, you should start speaking that, whatever you much like you give time more on a speaking part. Then like 1 month 2 months you feel comfortable in this language, then you should start talking like the people, because nowadays it's very easy, you can get partner for practice this language very easy. It's not a hard. I can't give excuse, I don't have any partner at my home, then how can I do practice with anyone? So this is a smaller step, any beginner will take this kind of a step, then 100% they will able to talk.
Yeah, that's true. You have told true words that nowadays there is nothing difficult to take first step towards English, because there are so many platforms that you can start your journey, but you have to take your first step towards your speaking portion. So, like consistency is the key of success. That if you will be consistent towards your English speaking, then definitely sooner or later you will be able to speak, and practice as much as you can.
And when I was not started learning this language, that time really I could not I was not I was don't have I didn't have any idea about this kind of application, and YouTube, so many YouTubers talking to each other. That time I didn't have any idea. But once I started like home, like 15 20 days I have done practice a lot with my family member, then I decided no, I had to take another step, then I'll go ahead. Then so first of all you have to take one step for this language, automatically another step will be
Yeah.
reached.
Definitely, if you will take first step to like gradually, person will meet you and person will add it in your community as well. So in this way, you can learn, but you have to take first step. So Sneha, this was the best conversation with you, and hope so we'll meet again. Nice to talk to you, and thank you for giving your valuable time, dear.
So I am enjoyed a lot talking with you throughout this conversation. So thank you so much for giving this precious time for me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So I